Okay, welcome back. Now in this lesson we're going to move on to crating. And as you can see from reading this sheet already, crating is a form of simple quick drawing where each part or each object is put into a box or a crate. And this helps us draw more complicated shapes because we can use these as a guide. So with this in kind of inhaler funnel sort of shape, we can see that we've got the first step of it just being a box or an isometric cuboid. Then add another one onto the side of that in the right place so we get where it comes out. Some further detail is added where we can use like the face of this cuboid before then getting a more accurately drawn product. As you can see, the construction lines have been rubbed out, but we're not covering anything like that today. Okay, the first thing I want to show you how to draw is a building like this. Okay, so as you can see, it's made up out of two cuboids, so we'll go through the steps of drawing those first before then using lines we've already made, like in isometric drawing, to help us measure and estimate where to draw other features. So the first thing, as I've already shown you, is our draw box. So make sure you've got a sharp pencil and press lightly for your construction lines. So I will start in this bottom corner here. Okay, somewhere near the bottom of your page. And what I will do is I want it to be an even number, so for when I get to my roof. So I will go for, as you can see, I'm not using a ruler. It's a little bit higher than it is wide. Okay, always staying on the isometric lines, especially while we're getting used to this. There I can see I'm doing this line, I project backwards. So those 30-degree isometric lines really helping me. Okay, lift your hand up off the paper to get a freer line. I can then know I'm going to come down the same numbers I've done here. And I've made the first crate in the cuboid that will help me. Okay, I can now look where this smaller kind of porch add-on conservatory type bit is, and again draw the crate. Okay, this I'll make a square, I think, so it's going to be a perfect cube coming out. Now, as isometric drawing is quite new to you, you might find you're not the fastest at this. Okay, a quick crate drawing doesn't mean we rush, we put lines and we do lines drawing, go away creating, it doesn't matter. You will get faster at this the more you do it. Okay, so this is just to start building confidence while we've got these simple shapes, so don't worry too much. Now I've got, as you can see there, I've got my crate. Now we'll start on the small one. I can see up here, and this I can choose a middle point that is there, and to get this roof and this gable end, I'll just follow the lines. Then from here, now here I have got to cut across on, but I know that because this is parallel and going along there, the line is starting there, it is finishing there. So I can start from these ones. You can draw a little bit thicker. Again, I've still not used a ruler for any of this. This is creating. This is quick, getting my ideas down on paper. Okay, so then again, for this, I can see that I know that those two are going to be parallel. I'm finishing it up here. I draw that one in the middle. That is why I've made sure I've got an even line. Then the bottom of the roof, along the bottom here, so just making those a little bit thicker. You see them? Please leave your construction lines so we can see where they are, and then I'll repeat exactly what I've just done for the main building. So if I want my roof line to be here, that means I follow this, and it's going to fall on this side. The middle of my roof will fall here. Okay, then this one will follow this isometric line down there. Okay, then we've got 2 in on here, we've got 2 in on here, so I know that on this end of my roof, it's going to be 2 in on here, it's going to be 2 in on here, so I've got my roof line and the ridge of my roof there. Then now, sometimes you can see it starts to get a little bit more complicated, but I can use what I've got already. So from this corner of my crate, down 1, 2. From here, down 1, 2. That's where it starts. There, I know that is. Okay, and then 2 down, 2. So that I can see that that isometric line will help me. Okay, look also how high up I'm holding my pencil. It allows broader sweeping strokes. Okay, rather than down here where you're just doing tiny bits, it takes ages. Okay, so there you can see quite quickly I've been able, okay, in less than 7 minutes, to explain creating to you and draw a simple building. Thank you.